Is the EUHOMY DW02 countertop dishwasher worth buying? At Wash Dry Dazzle, we break down the 10 key performance factors that really matter, from price and cleaning performance to noise and loading capacity. We'll show you where this dishwasher stands in the market by comparing it with other models so you can choose with confidence. Let's start with the first key metric: price and design. It is priced at around $270 at the time of making this video, putting it in the mid-range category for countertop dishwashers. Looking at the comparative price chart, this dishwasher falls in the $256 to $306 range, where nearly 39% of countertop dishwashers are positioned. Not the cheapest, but not overly expensive either. Of course, prices can change, so for the latest deals, be sure to check the link in the description below. Design-wise, it's compact enough to fit in small kitchens, RVs, or dorms, making it ideal for tight spaces. It comes in a white body with a black digital control panel and a transparent viewing window, so you can see the wash cycle in action. It weighs about 30 pounds, which places it in the 24 to 32 pound weight range. As per the weight comparison chart, it's the most common range, covering about 38% of mini dishwashers. Just so you know, it's not Wi-Fi enabled and doesn't support smart home assistants, so if you're looking for voice control through Alexa or Google Assistant, this model won't offer that. Cleaning performance. It offers 7 wash cycles, including normal, ECO, quick, strong, or baby care, glass, fruit, and self-clean, plus a dry mode. It uses 2 spray arms, one at the top and one at the bottom, with 360-degree rotation, ensuring that water jets reach every corner of the interior. There are specialized wash cycles like the fruit mode, which gently rinses fruits and vegetables, and the strong cycle, which uses a high 167 degrees Fahrenheit sanitizing rinse to clean baby bottles and heavily soiled dishes. Filtration is handled by a 3-layer removable filter system, which you'll need to clean manually at least once a week for consistent performance. Drying performance. For drying, this model uses PTC hot air technology. PTC hot drying uses a self-regulating heater that evaporates moisture efficiently while preventing overheating, making it safer and more energy efficient than traditional heaters. On top of that, the EUHOMY DW02 supports a 73-hour ventilated storage system. The air refresh function circulates fresh air every 60 to 75 minutes for 10 to 15 minutes, preventing odors and keeping dishes dry and fresh until unloaded. However, it doesn't include an auto door opening feature, and there's also no rinse aid dispenser, so drying performance may not be as advanced as some other models. Noise level. One of the biggest advantages of this dishwasher is its super quiet 40 decibel noise level. To put this into perspective, standing about 5 feet away from the dishwasher would sound similar to a whisper or the faint rustling of leaves on a calm day. So quiet you might not even notice it running. Looking at the comparative noise chart, only about 5% of dishwashers reach this ultra-low range of 40 to 43 decibels, making it one of the quietest in its category. For comparison, the AIRMSEN C01 runs at 45 decibels, the Hermitlux HDW5CW01 runs at 50 decibels, and the HAVA TDJR09 is noticeably louder at 60 decibels. Energy efficiency. It is not Energy Star certified. Energy Star certified appliances meet strict efficiency standards set by the EPA, using less energy and reducing environmental impact. Still, its power usage is fairly efficient for its class. A normal cycle with heat dry, which runs about 130 minutes, consumes around 1.12 kilowatt-hours of electricity. To put that into perspective, it's like running a 1-ton AC on full load for about 67 minutes. If you use it once a day for a month, that's about 33.6 kilowatt-hours per month. It also comes with a delay start timer, which lets you schedule cycles to run later. Perfect if you want to wash dishes during off-peak energy hours or have clean dishes ready at a specific time. Water usage. It uses about 5 liters or 1.32 gallons of water per cycle. This is on par with most compact dishwashers in its category. For example, competitors like the AIRMSEN C01, Hermitlux HDW5CW01, and HAVA TDJR09 all consume the same 5 liters per cycle. With this efficiency, it can cut water consumption by as much as 80% compared to traditional hand washing. It offers two water intake modes. Users can either connect it to a faucet or use the built-in water tank for flexible installation. Wash cycles and running time. This dishwasher comes with 7 main wash programs, offering a flexible range of cleaning options. The normal cycle runs for about 69 minutes, while the ECO cycle takes 59 minutes. If you're in a hurry, the quick cycle is only 29 minutes. For tougher jobs, the baby care or heavy cycle runs for 89 minutes, and the glass cycle takes around 50 minutes. There's also a self-clean mode lasting 79 minutes, and a fruit wash that's just 19 minutes with no detergent required. Looking at the comparative wash cycle chart, about 25% of dishwashers offer 7 wash cycles, which puts the EUHOMY DW02 above average in terms of versatility, giving you more cycle options than many competitors. Loading capacity. It is a 4-place setting dishwasher, meaning it's designed to handle dishes for about 4 people in a single load. 4-place setting typically must include 4 dinner plates, 4 dessert plates, 4 soup bowls, 4 cups, 4 glasses, and 4 sets of cutlery. In practice, you might fit 4 dinner plates, 4 dessert plates, 2 bowls, 3 cups, 2 glasses, and cutlery comfortably, depending on the sizes. According to the place setting comparison chart, around 34% of dishwashers are 4-place setting models, putting this dishwasher right in line with the most popular compact options. Safety features. For safety, it includes a child lock, preventing accidental interruptions during operation. It's also equipped with a non-slip base, which helps keep the dishwasher stable on your countertop. But keep in mind, you should always place it on a sturdy, flat surface to avoid instability. For safe operation, avoid placing it near gas or electric burners, and don't use extension cords or adapter plugs, as they can create safety risks. Reliability and durability. It is built with a combination of ABS plastic and stainless steel materials. It's durable, sturdy, and easy to clean. The build feels solid, though you should avoid putting heavy items on top of the unit to keep it in good condition. It comes with a 1-year warranty, but keep in mind, to stay covered, you'll need to use it as intended for household purposes only. Misuse, mishandling, or accidents aren't covered under warranty. That's our full breakdown of this mini dishwasher. Sure, it has a few areas for improvement, but overall, it proves that big things really do come in small packages. Would we recommend it? Absolutely. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and check out the links in the description for more details.